the engine, the heart of the aircraft.
Since it is vital for ensuring safety, many checks and special maintenance are carried out. The foremost task is fully dismantling the engine, examining all the thousands of parts meticulously, and perfectly reassembling it. We inspect it thoroughly. We perform it ourselves. Only engines that have passed all checks and maintenance will guarantee the safety of your flight, so you can relax. Korean Air will invest fully in ensuring customer safety beyond the excellence Korean Air.